For Little Sunflower, I want you to play triads for left hand. I hope you remember what triads are from music math drill practice. Yeah, triads means 3 notes harmony. C major. This is a key of C, so it's a C major. That's one chord. One sus. Sus means you're gonna raise the third half step up. This is one sus. I want you to practice, just go back and forth. One chord, one sus. Once you get used to it, I want you to put them together, right hand and left hand together. And play melody kicks on one chord and long tone on one sus. Long tone. Yeah, on those staccato notes. I want you to play melody kicks. Also, I want you to practice in key of G. So think about the 5-finger pattern on G. So melody starts on D. I'm sure you can figure the rest of them out. It's not that difficult. Left hand. So one chord is going to be G major. And again, half step up. That's a one sus in key of G. One sus, G sus, G major triad. So then if you take a look at this, the last number, it says practice playthrough with the following format. First chorus, right hand on C5 and the left hand on C4. And you play through from here to here. And repeat. Second chorus, right hand on G4, right here. And the left hand on G3, right here. So you start from here and then you shift down. And then you just keep going. And third chorus, so you want to play 3 times. Right hand go back to C5 right here. Left hand goes to C3. And the third note from the bottom. 1, 2, 3. And you kept going, then add row root ending to the very end. So only the very last time you want to hit row root. Make sure to hit the C, not G. It ends with key of C major.